Splendour Splash 2024. Powered by Praise L Schools.
Members of the jury, you are here today because Ms. Alexis has been accused of violating the educational welfare of her pupils by depriving them their break time. After hearing the evidence in this case, you must decide whether Ms. Alexis is guilty or not guilty. During this trial, you must listen carefully to all evidence. You may not speak or laugh or you'll be removed from the courtroom. Ms. Michaela Wallaku, you may now proceed with the opening statements of the prosecutor. Of the defense.
Members of the jury, my client is not guilty of the act. Miss Alexis was just adhering to school policy to ensure her pupils get the most out of their education. There is one just verdict in this case, not guilty.
Prosecutor, please call your witness.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? Yes, I do. Please say your name and spell your last name. My name is Mr. Oluwatobiloba, Oluwatobiloba. Yes, I am. Which school do you attend? I attend Praise L Infant Junior and High School. Who is your teacher? Miss Alexis is my teacher. Yes, our teacher refused to give us our break time after class activities. I was sad and tired. We didn't want to learn anything again.
Defense, you may cross-examine the witness.
Yes, I am. Yes, I do.
I've already done two. Yeah, I've already done three.
Yes, because our teacher refused to give us our break time after class activities.
Frankly, I don't know if you find chess interesting.
Permission granted. Does the prosecutor
Yes, I do. My name is Mrs. Alexis, Alexis. I am a teacher. Yes, I do. Yes, I stated that we needed to finish the lesson.
Miss Michaela Walaku, you may cross-examine the witness. Professional teacher, why do you think pregnant is important to the Objection, my lord. Miss Michaela is questioning the integrity of my client. Objection overruled. As a practical teacher, why do you think pregnant is important to the Why do you think it's important?
Yes, it helped them to rest, play, and recharge.
So why did you deny them of the breakfast if it's important? Can you describe the behavior of your pupils after you took away their breakfast?
They were restless and throwing tantrums.
Did they achieve the goal of teaching after that?
No.
Thank you, no further questions. Thank you, Miss Michaela Walku and Miss Clarissa Johnson. Members of the jury will deliberate now. Members of the jury, have you reached verdict? Yes, Your Honor. We have reached verdict. Breaks are important. Deliberately depriving pupils of their breaks and violation of Therefore, we find Miss Alexis guilty as charged. Miss Alexis will give her pupils back their break time. Every child has the right to protection against all forms of abuse and violence.
Every child has the right to education, play, and recreation. Children have the right to be loved and cared for. Children have the right to be heard.
Splendour Splash 2024. Powered by Praise L Schools.